going to be showing you guys my fully furnished apartment tour. I've been waiting a long time to do this. I've been in this apartment for about a year and I have not filmed my apartment tour just because it's been taking some time to get everything where I want it. I'm going to keep it simple. It's not going to be one of these super high-tech apartment tours. It's still a couple things that I want to add. Like I still want 2 mirrors to go above my nightstand, and I still want to add a couple things in the bathroom. Like anything that's not listed or that you did not see, you can just ask me in the comments and I would, gladly list them for you. So I'm just starting off with showing you guys the living room. I know a tour, you do a walkthrough or whatever and show what you have, but honestly, this is just a little small 2-bed, 1-bath apartment. I didn't think it was necessary for me to walk around and explain everything. And the living room is my favorite room in this entire apartment. I love the color scheme. I love the way I did it. I also feel like the kitchen just throws everything off, but I found a way to make it work. It is definitely one of my least favorite places in here just because of the old, outdated appliances. I'm talking